Hello everybody, welcome back to my corner. Today we're going to be unboxing the My Thrillclub box. So first thing you'll see when I open it is this pretty red paper. It's only $18.99 a month. Okay, the first one I see is Theme Music by T. Marie Vandelli. It is valued at $26, so we've already paid for the box. For the lucky among us, life is what you make of it. But for Dixie Wheeler, the theme music for her story was chosen by another long ago, on the day her father butchered her mother and brothers and then slashed a knife across his own throat. Only 1-year-old Dixie was spared, becoming infamously known as Baby Blue for the song left playing in the aftermath of the slaughter. So it sounds like it will be really good. And then our next book is The Possession by Michael Rutger. It's valued at $28. Nolan Moore, host of the Anomaly Files, has made it his life's work to pull the veil back on America's most tantalizing myths and legends, entertaining and informing an audience of skeptics in the process. His motto in the search for truth: it matters not what we find, it matters only what we continue to seek. I'm looking forward to reading both of these books. They both sound like they will be really good. And I will see you all later. Bye.